Hello and welcome to Broodweb. So here I'm come back with another video, and this is gonna be very interesting and very useful for you. If you are a WordPress website owner, then you have to watch this video and you must need this plugin sometimes. So this is about multilingual. So if you have a WordPress website that needs multilingual support, then BW Multilingual is best for you. And why? Because there are lots of plugins on market, but in free version those plugins support only 2 countries. That's not enough for you, right? So you need a free plugin that supports all countries, and there is no hidden tiers, no premium version. You will get everything in the free version. So let's get started. So here you have to come to broodweb.com, and here you will find BW Multilingual, free WordPress translation, and multilingual plugins. And here you will find a little bit overview of the plugin. What is the features? And you can take a look at the description, but you don't need to read them out because this video will explain everything. So what you have to do is just have to click on download free. And if you click here, then you just have to put your email. That's just for mailing list, just for newsletter. So you get email next time I build a plugin for you. So just click it and the plugin link will be on your inbox. Okay. So once you sign up, you never gonna ask you again. Okay. It will be saved on the server. And next time, whenever you download, it will just download directly to your email. So now let's go back to the backend, and then I think you know how to install a plugin, right? So let's check if I have that plugin installed. No, so let's go add a plugin, upload plugin, and go to my storage where it is. Multilingual, and install. So what is the most important feature of my plugin is it supports multiple AI, and you have full control to use your own AI API. Okay, so you can translate with AI, and I'll show you a free AI that support my plugin, and you can use that plugin for free and translate your entire website, and the translation is gonna be very awesome. Like it's almost 90 to 95% accurate. You don't have to do a lot of changes manually. But if you use G-Translate, then Google Translate is not good at all. I'll give 5 out of 10, and AI translation is almost like 9 out of 10, not 100%, but 9 out of 10. And that's good. That's enough, right? So let's go. First you have the settings, and here you have to set up the first language. As you can see, our first language is English, and then you have to choose the second language. Let's say our second language is Dutch. Okay, and click add. So it's added. Let's say our third language is German. Let's say Slovenia. Okay, Slovenia. Okay, that's good. Cool. Well, so let's start with the 2 and then click save. And it is saved. Now let's go to the translation engine. So which AI you are going to use? You can translate manually. I'll show you both, but as I say, like this supports AI, so you can use a free AI called Grok, and this is totally free. Okay, it has a free premium version, but you can use free version. That's very good. And also use Google Translate, DeepL, Claude, anything you can use. Okay, and then I have to click on like Grok, and then let's go to Grok. Let's go to Grok, and you just have to create an account here and free API key. I already created an account, so maybe it will not ask. Yeah, so here is the plugin. Sorry, here is the API key. So let's put the name to Broodweb and verify I'm human. Verify failed. How? Let's check it again. Success, Broodweb, submit. And this is the API. Copy the API and go to settings space and paste it here and click saved. Okay, that's great. Now go to the SEO and URL. So this plugin is truly SEO friendly. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. And the language detection. This is very important. So detect the visitor language, country, then browser language recommended. So you can use this, or you can use like this one or this one, but I recommend this one. And there is an on and off option, like if you want to detect by country or the API, IP, browser IP, then you can toggle it on. Otherwise, just leave it. Okay, and the switcher drop down and so let's say, so we are going to use floating. So let's bottom right flag plus code. Okay, this is nice, flag plus code. There are multiple options you can use, so I'm going to use flag plus code and save changes, and then go to appearance, and you can change the color, font size and everything, but I'll leave it as it is. And then go to the performance. You can use the cache version if you want to. That will make the translation faster. And this is advanced for the developer. Okay, you don't need it. Now let's go to the front end and reload, and now you can see a very beautiful floating bar, and when you click you will see other languages. So now let's click on translate the site. See, so let's go to the home page, and now click on translate the site. Here let's go open it on a new tab. So it is kind of similar to the translate press, okay, but much more easier. So you can see auto translate the page. So if you click this button, it will automatically translate the entire page. And also if you want to manually translate, just click the text and here you can type it. Okay, and now it's in Netherlands. Okay, so this is the Netherlands version of the English version of the site. So you can change it to Slovenia, but let's translate in Netherlands first. I mean Dutch, then we'll translate other one. And how the language will, the URL will be, you can see the preview here. Okay, let's click on auto translate, because no one wants to translate manually. Everyone wants auto translate. So this will solve your problem really, really in a short amount of time. You don't have to write hundreds of codes manually, hundreds of words manually. No one wants to do that, right? So yeah, it's doing its job. Because we're using the free version of Grok, so it has a limit per query. Okay, so that's why you can see it's resuming automatically. Like the Grok has a limitation, like you can send I think 12 or 20 requests per second, and then you have to wait sometimes, and then you can send again. So that's why the API is calling and is sending a request, and then it is waiting and it is resuming again and after a few seconds. So you just have to sit tight and just wait and see, and then you will see all the entire page has been translated. It's already started. You see over dance 10, product 10. So it is started. You see, this is already started, translated. Lots of text has been translated. everything is translatable, like images, URL, attachment, anything, everything you can translate, no problem. Okay, so it will take some time because, as you know, it has some limitation. But if you use pro version of the Grok or any other API, then there will be no limit. It will be much faster. So this is it. This is how this plugin works. So if you have any questions in your mind, if you don't understand anything, you can just go ahead and you can send a request to me, and I'll give you answer within a minute because I'm always active. An email, you can send me email and I will try to reply within a minute. Okay, so bye bye, good day. We will come back with another video that is multi-currency, and the multi-currency plugin is like it is awesome because in the marketplace there is no plugin like this. So every clients that I work with wants to use multi-currency with multilingual. So whenever I switch the language, the currency will be switched automatically, right? So let's say the language is English and the currency is dollar. So if I switch to Dutch, the currency will be euro automatically. So that supports my plugin. That is a real problem that will solve my plugin. Okay, so I'll come back with another video with multi-currency. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a good day.